Hello, and welcome to Polyglot Principles. My name is Modja, and I'm a hyper-polyglot who speaks 8 languages. I speak 4 of those at an advanced level, and this is the channel where I help ambitious language learners go from intermediate to advanced in their target language by giving them a very deep and detailed understanding of the principles of language learning. So this video is part of my One for the Road videos. This is where I give you one idea to take with you on the road. One language learning idea that can help you progress in your language learning journey. And I usually publish these every Tuesday to Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then on Monday I do a much more in-depth video where I go really deep into some aspect of language learning. And those in-depth videos are published on Monday at 8 a.m. Central African Time. Okay, let's dig into this. Today, this video is step 3 of our video series on how to break a bad habit in language learning. And step 3 is, my one idea for the road today is repeat a replacement good habit as much as possible. So if you've been following the series, step 1 was identify the bad habit, step 2 was identify a good habit to replace it, and step 3 is repeat the replacement good habit until it becomes much easier to perform the good habit than to perform the bad one. And this is very possible. Think about your own native language. For example, my native language is English. Now, it is much easier for me to speak English correctly than it is for me to speak English badly. You actually have to take effort and time to think about how to speak wrong English. That's because the correct habits in English have been internalized. So this is one thing that's very important. Take a replacement habit. So if we just continue with the examples we've been having, let's say I keep saying exaggerate. Instead of exaggerate, I say exaggerate. Let's say. This is my wrong pronunciation. Exaggerate. Or actually, let me look for an example that is much more common. Okay, there are some people who have problems with L and R. So some people from certain African countries, and I think Chinese or Japanese, one group of people like this, have trouble with certain things. So for example, the lights are off. All right, I hope it's not too dark. Okay, so some people have trouble with L and R. So instead of saying a long, they'll say wrong. It's a wrong. Let's say instead of saying it's a long road, it's a wrong road. Or it's a wrong load, something like that. Instead of saying road, they say load. So if you're someone like that, let's say your bad habit is saying L instead of R. So maybe you speak and you say road. So you realize, oh no, I'm not supposed to say R, I'm supposed to say L. So now the replacement good habit is L. So now the next step is to keep practicing saying the correct thing, L, instead of R, L, until L becomes so easy for you to say that it's actually hard for you to say the wrong thing. And this will happen so long as you keep reinforcing the good habit via repetition. So that's my one idea for the road today. Repeat a replacement good habit as much as possible. Repeat a replacement good habit as much as possible. So as I mentioned before, I publish these One for the Road videos every Tuesday to Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then on Monday I do a much more in-depth video. This is just a teaser actually. So I've just given you one idea, but I've gone into much greater detail about how to break a bad habit in one of my videos called How to Break Bad Habits, Language Learning, How to Break Bad Habits. So if you go to the description of this video and you click on that link, you'll get a much more detailed video that brings all the information together about how to break a bad habit. And then you can start applying those principles and seeing immediate changes in your language learning. Now, my in-depth videos I publish every Monday at 8 a.m. Central African Time. And if you really like this video and you like this channel and you don't want to miss out on anything, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Ding, 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 ding. That way you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video. My goal is to have 3,000 plus subscribers by August 1st, 2021. So if you have any idea how I can do that, please don't hesitate to send me an email and write me some advice. The email is polyglotprinciples@gmail.com. You'll find it in the description below. And if you have a question, a comment, just comment in the comment section, or you can send me something via email again, polyglotprinciples@gmail.com in the description below, and I'll be able to, I'll be very glad to respond, to answer to your question, and be as much service as I can to you. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.